Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the daily Forex video research. I decided to shift to the cable analysis because we've talked about the euro currency during the previous week match. Well, and I already shared with you my view on the possible price action on the euro. On the Great British Pound there is also not very simple a situation right now because there are no any strong and definite signals. So a couple of scenarios is possible on the coming week. We will start from the weekly chart because it has the most important levels of support that is crucial for the possible price action during the during the next week. Okay, this is the weekly chart. We can see that our move to the downside has started from the washing rinse of the previous highs and the 618 Fibonacci resistance that I do not have on this chart, but it's also the 618 resistance, and the monthly pivot resistance 1 has helped the market, and market just moved to the downside. Now we have two strong areas of support, weekly support. The first area is here, 156.03, 156.59. This is the Fibonacci confluence support and monthly pivot point at 156.39, because I did not see it clearly right here, but also this is a gold dash line. This is the monthly pivot point. And the second area of support, also the Fibonacci confluence support, 153.85 and 153.87, and just below this area monthly pivot support 1 around 153.63. So this is the very strong supports area, this area and this area. Also take note that this area includes 382 Fibonacci support from the major reaction point, from this low to this high. This is the 382 Fibonacci support area. Well, the main question is what area will stop the market from the move to the downside, where retracement to the downside will stop. Well, I prefer that this happen in this area. Why? Because in this case monthly pivot point will hold the market, from the move to the downside. And look at this red line, this is a MACD predictor that shows us the trend. In this case the trend remains bullish. Well, much better if I will see the MACD predictor failure pattern when the market in the beginning of the week turn trend to the bearish, but at the end of the week will close above it. This will be perfect, and it will give me the confidence that both still control the market, and the market will ready to move to the upside and take out these highs and break out the 618 resistance area. But if we look at the previous price action, look at this sell-off. This is very similar because market just engulfs 1, 2, almost 3 previous weeks, almost the previous month of up move. And as you can see, this move has the continuation to the downside, so possibly market will move to the downside. This is the medium term expectations. And that being said, that if market will show the MACD predictor failure and monthly pivot will hold the price action, so we can possess ourselves a possible move to the upside. If not, and I think that the probability is greater, then market will continue to move to the downside. Then the next area of strong support is 154 area roughly. This is what we can take from the weekly time frame. On the daily time frame there are also no any interesting signals, but there are some details that also point on the possibility of the continuation down move, on the down move. Let's take a look from the C point. First of all, market run directly from the weekly pivot point to the weekly pivot support 1 to the monthly pivot point. So market even didn't bounce from any of the weekly pivot points. This is a very bearish sign. Market has reached 618 target from this A, B, C top pattern. This is 618. Yeah, I said support because C point is above the A, so this is not the expansion. This expansion, but this is more support than just a target of 618 from this AB move. Okay, now market trying to push from the monthly pivot point and weekly confluence support, but failed and totally erased during the 2 consecutive days, totally erased the attempts of move to the high. This is the bearish sign. This level will not be stronger when the market will touch it for the second time, so as the weekly pivot point. The next target of the possible move to the downside if this level will fail, ABC top, directly 140.54 area, 100% expansion. This will be also the weekly confluence support that we have discussed only just on the weekly time frame. Weekly monthly pivot support 100% expansion, and look at this blue line. This is the daily overbought. So this will be very strong area of support, and I think that if bulls still control the market, this area should hold the market from the continuation of the downward. The retracement to the downside should finish right here for the possible continuation of the up move. So if this is just a retracement, this area should hold the market. So, but the recent price action makes me think that the great probability exists that this area will not hold the market. It's possibly market will break it to the downside. On the 4-hour chart, what do we have right here? First of all, look at this small ABC pattern, ABC top. Market has reached 100% expansion and shows 618 retracement to the upward. Usually when the market accelerates from the 618 target directly to 100% expansion target and shows 618 retracement, usually it continued moves after this retracement to the 1618 expansion. This is 155 area. If we will take a look at the larger ABC, A, B, C top, we can see that the 100% expansion coincides with the daily target 154.14 and very close to the next Fibonacci support. Also take a look that attempt of the shift trend to the upside market during this thrust and move from the monthly pivot point turned trend to the bullish, but then totally erased this attempt. Price action didn't confirm this trend shifting. Now we can see that market shows some stop grabbers, some MACD predictive failure on the 4-hour chart. This is the bearish sign, and market took out this previous low of this thrust bar. This is the bearish sign. So if we can see some breakout of this low, possibly we can expect move to the downside. At the same time, during the next week, we can see weekly pivot point right here around 157.67 and weekly pivot resistance 158.93. That's very close to the 618 Fibonacci resistance from this high to this low. Well, usually market when it shows the move to the downside, touches the weekly pivot point and then accelerates to the downside. So the weekly pivot point is the crucial point for the beginning of the next week. I suppose that market in the beginning of the week will show some attempts, some move to the weekly pivot point, and should test it, because the weekly pivot points, as I said millions of times, are traded by the market in the 70% of cases. If market will fail there, test weekly pivot point that then turns back, then possibly we can possess ourselves to the move to the downside with the target around 154 area. But if the market will move above it and hold above the weekly pivot point, we can treat this move as a retracement from sell off on the daily chart. And usually when market retraces during the sell off, it retraces to the weekly pivot resistance 1. So in this case we can expect move to the 159 area roughly. This is my point of view. That's been said, on the lower time frames, personally I will be looking for flirting of the market with the weekly pivot point. If it will hold above it, so we can treat it like a short-term retracement in this sell-off, the market should reach the weekly pivot resistance 1 and hold there. Only if weekly pivot resistance 1 will hold the market, then we can treat it like a retracement. And if market will fail there, then we possibly can possess ourselves to the possible move to the 154 area.